Withdrawing money from Apple Music to your bank account involves a few straightforward steps. Follow this guide to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Open your Apple Music account. Log into your Apple Music account using your Apple ID and password. Make sure you are using the correct credentials associated with your account. Step 2. Access your account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This can typically be found in the menu or profile section of the Apple website. Step 3. Check payment information. In account settings, locate the payment information section. Ensure that your bank account details are correctly entered and verified for transactions. Step 4. Initiate withdrawal. Look for the option to withdraw funds. This may be labeled as transfer to bank or withdraw earnings. Follow the prompts to initiate the withdrawal process. Step 5. Confirm and complete the transaction. Review the withdrawal details and confirm the transaction. You may receive a confirmation message or email once the process is complete, indicating when the funds will be available in your bank account. Thank you for following these steps. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out for assistance.